Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today I have another purse review for you. And so this one again was sent to me by BabalaBags. So this time I didn't have the opportunity to choose my own bag. There was one that they sent me of their choosing that they wanted me to have a look at. So I'm gonna show that one to you today. So let's open it up. So it is a purse from Louis Vuitton, and it is the Louis Vuitton loop bag. So let's have a look at the box it came in, because the presentation, even just like, this is just the shipping box, and this is how the box came. So very authentic, and there is the Louis Vuitton box inside. So let's take that out. And we've got the Louis Vuitton box with the ribbon. So let's take the ribbon off. And I have to say the box is, I know it's just a box, but the box is pretty authentic to my authentic Louis Vuitton one. And it's got the nice magnetized box there. And so you've got all of the little inserts, the literature that comes with it, and it is wrapped in this really nice Louis Vuitton paper. So let's open it up. So I did open up this purse when it initially came because I wanted to have a look at it, inspect it, and use it a little bit before I give you my final opinion on it. And so I did that, and then I just put it away in the box again. So here it is in the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and let's take it out. Okay, so here it is, the Louis Vuitton loop bag. So I am not familiar really with the loop bag. I don't really know when it came out. So I can't really tell you how close in terms of like all of the details, but let's have a look at it. So it is in the Louis Vuitton coated canvas, the monogram coated canvas. And I mean, it feels pretty good. It feels pretty awesome. It has this nice little zip pocket in the front. So you can, and it is functional, so you can put things in there like your cards or some coins or some bills, whatever you want to put in there. It does come with a chain strap and also a shoulder / crossbody strap. So here it is here in this bag here. I haven't opened it yet because I have been wearing it as a shoulder bag. All of the details on this purse are pretty great. So you've got all of the little LV details on the zipper pull, on the chain here. Even on the hardware, like the little rivets and things that are holding everything together, all of the details are impeccable. The only thing that I don't know about is the sections here that I assume are supposed to be vachetta leather. To me, it doesn't really look or feel like vachetta leather. So I don't know if it is, so I can't speak to that. And even on the original, I don't know what the piping is supposed to be around the edges of the purse because I don't own one. But every other detail other than that looks pretty great to me. So even the coated canvas, the monogram, it looks pretty good. You've got like one piece here, and then you've got one on the back, and then it continues all around the bottom of the purse. And on the inside, it's only one open space, so there is no slip pockets, but you do have the Louis Vuitton Made in France logo on the back, and then there is also a little tag for the production code on the inside there. It's not really the type of purse that I personally would purchase necessarily, but that's the great thing about ordering a replica purse from BabalaBags, because You can try out a style without spending thousands of dollars on something and not enjoying it. So here is the crossbody strap. All of the hardware came with these really great, like rubbery protections on them. So once again, just the presentation and the packaging is just outstanding. So here we've got, oh, there's another rubber piece on the end here. So let's take that off. Once again, all the little details, says Louis Vuitton on it. So I am pretty sure that the strap is supposed to be a vachetta leather. I'm not sure if it is. It's hard for me to tell, but then again, I have to be honest, when I bought my authentic Louis Vuitton, I have a Louis Vuitton Never Full in the medium size. I have to say, like, the smell was kind of strange, and that was an authentic Louis Vuitton. So I can't really say by smell alone or even by touch, but if it's not, I mean, it's a pretty good quality strap regardless. And if it's some sort of other protected leather, that's fine too. So this type of strap is one of those ones that you can do a couple of different lengths of it. So you can do it the short length like this, or you just pull it. Let me see if I can do it. So it's got the buttons on it, and you just pull it so that you can extend it and you can make it more crossbody, and then you just clip the buttons together. And it says Louis Vuitton, Paris, like all of the details, all of the little details are just outstanding. I feel like with BabalaBags, the quality versus the price is so much better than any other replica company that I have ever seen. So if you want to get something from BabalaBags for yourself, there is a discount code that I'm going to put in my description that will entitle you to 5% off your order at BabalaBags. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you very soon in another video.